reload page, right click, download, zipping one file zipped and ready. Download. I would generally save it to my desktop. Okay. It may say this. Trust me, it's really not dangerous. I've used it, got way more FPS. So instead of clicking discard, you click on this, click keep. After that, since it's a zip file, just click on this. Close out your drive. That's it. So what you do here, you drag this and copy it to the desktop. For some reason this moved up. So after you copied it, you can delete the compressed zip file. Delete this after dragging. And now you double click on that. It's ready to roll right there. You see it? Perfect. Double click. There's 4 folders. First, you would want to go to optimizations. You have this. You can do the other settings in this. You can you see the video, you see the pictures. Only you can do these because I don't have graphics card. You can do this. You can select this, go here. You can view these photos and do the steps according to this because I don't have this. I don't know how it works. So you can listen to these pictures and you can do it. Okay. But you would, in optimizations, you would want to go and stay in optimization. Click on CPU Core Park Setup 2.12. Double click. It may say this or it may say something else. Uncheck this and click Run. Next. Accept. Next. You can change this wherever you want. I like to keep it in the program files this time. Next, and administrator. Install. And it'll be done immediately. Click finish and it'll launch it. It'll look like this. Don't worry, it's completely safe. It's loading up. Okay, so this is basically your thing. I have 8 CPUs, as you can see. You want to set this to high performance, this to plugged in, and you would want to keep all these settings like this. It might be low like this, it might be like this, or something like this, and it might be this. See, look, my base speed is 2 gigs, and right now the speed is this. But if I put everything to 100, come on, get to 100. Okay, so yeah, if everything goes to 100 and I click apply, look at that. The speed increases like crazy. It makes everything render way faster. And yeah, that's basically it. So like, this is the best program for installing to get max FPS. And after you're done, you can click options, minimize system tray. You may want to check updates, it's not that different. It's the latest one, but yeah. You can close it or minimize it. It just saves the tray. And then if you want to go back to it, it's right here. Or you can get back to it by going here. Like how Fortnite is, you can get it here. Or if you saved it here, I can go there. So next step is you go back in here. You go game files. You see these 3 things? These 3 things are very important. You want to copy this. Okay? Control X or C, doesn't matter. I'm not going to do it. I already did it. So Control C. You go to Windows. You go to, before this, you need to do something else. You go here. You copy these 3. Copy. I won't do it. Copy. Press Windows and R. Windows R. So here you type You type 2 of these percentages, go back, local app data, local app data, and this thing would come. Local app data, Fortnite game, saved, and config. When you go inside here, there's Windows Client, Crash Report Client. You go to Windows Client. See, the only thing that would be there before was this. So what you would do then is you remove all of these, shift and delete, permanently delete. I'm gonna click no, but yes, you can delete all of these, it'll be gone. And then you paste it, and then put the 3, and then, oops. Yeah, and then these 3 will be here. Okay? Refresh it a few times, and then X out of it. And that's next step. Third step is you open this document. I wanna, wait. Okay, there we go. That's an extra thing. I want to see how you do that. So what you do is you see this text? You would want to copy all of these. Just copy all this. Okay? And press copy. And when you go into the launcher, you go to the launcher, go options. Oops, wrong one. You go click here, you go here, and you go settings. You delete whatever you have, and you press Control V. And press enter. Close this, close out of this. But for you, you need to do extra steps. You have to go back to CPU part. You have to go back. For you, it says it right here. Change preferred processor, that quotation mark 6. I changed it to 8 because I have 8 CPUs. Okay, so what you have to do is you may want to go to Task Manager. Okay, and it says go to Performance, Logical CPUs, Logical Processors. It says I have 8, so I clicked and I put 8 where this is. I put 8 here because I have 8 logical CPUs. Okay? And then you copy it and then paste it there in that Epic Games Launcher stuff. Yeah, so that's the third step. Look at that speed. I mean, literally, only 2% is being used, and look at that speed. Handles that much. Oh my god. So minimum, it has to be that much, but you can make it lower if you want. So yeah. GPU Intel UHD graphics. Pretty neat, actually. Yeah, let's go back to the next step. Next step is before you launch the game, you run this. Okay? Just click run. You see this timer resolution? So you always click this and put it to maximum. You click on maximum and you click close. And then you run Fortnite. I'm not going to run it because I'm not allowed to play Fortnite, but we run it after you click. You go here, optimizations, timer, run as administrator, or regular player, it doesn't matter. Click maximum, and close. And close. And refresh. And then go to Fortnite and launch it with your heart's content. That's all it is, boy. Nothing that hard. So yeah, use all available cores. I have 8, so I've done that. See, you'll see it here. So you might have actually a 36 or something. I don't know. So I have 8, so I put 8 here. I have 8, so I put 8 over there. So yeah, thank you, Arjun. Hopefully this helps you get extra speed in Fortnite Battle Royale, more processing power. I did not use rep, but that's okay. This is sick wallpaper, and I like it. Fortnite. And anytime you want to go back to it, it's called CPU parking. You can uninstall it anytime, run it anytime. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Xbox.